More inmates from Camp Bagong Diwa in Taguig City can look forward to a better life when they regain their freedom. Sweden Velada tells us why.
Around 100 inmates in Camp Bagong Diwa graduated with flying colors and received national certificates for completing their Information Technology Technical Vocational course. The local government of Taguig, in partnership with the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority or TESDA and through the support of Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, implemented the program called Bilibid or Bilibid Information Technology. Senator Cayetano and his wife, Taguig Mayor Lani Cayetano, firmly believe that the tech course could help inmates find jobs after they get freed of charges to bring back their morale. Secretary Joel Villanueva expressed in an interview that TESDA will continue to carry out more programs that aim to help improve lives of our countrymen, just like the fresh graduates of Bilibid.
Ngayon mapagmamalaki na namin na kahit nasa Bilibid ka, pwede kang magkaroon ng trabaho. And yun nga po, si Leo Ringen kanina na binanggit po niya sa informatics, yung mga lumabas na po, halos lahat po sa kanila ay nagkaroon na rin ng trabaho.
Meanwhile, Senator Cayetano shared his criticisms with regard to the ongoing Senate investigation over Vice President Jejomar Binay's alleged ill-gotten wealth. Cayetano stressed that if Binay is not hiding anything, he should accept the invitation of the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee to attend the hearing. He also challenged the Vice President and his involved allies to open their bank accounts.
Kung talo ka na sa chess at Grandmaster ang kalaban mo, sirain mo na lang yung chess set, di ba? Basagin mo na lang yung laro. So, imbis na sila'y humarap, imbis na sila'y sumagot, imbis na sabihin nila yung side nila, tinitira kaming 3 senador, tinitira yung proseso. Kung papayag si Mr. Chu at papayag ang law office na buksan ang bank account nila, once and for all masasolve to. Pero mukhang may tinatago. Bilang hamon na magbukasan ng bank account, payag ako, sabay-sabay kami. Si VP Binay, ang law office nila, si Mr. Chu at kami.
For People's Television, this is Sweden Velado.